So here we are with our 1-point perspective boxes, which is the first worksheet in the packet after the rubric. And we're going to follow these steps just as they're laid out. So all of that is going to happen in this box. So in box number 1, we need to put the horizon line. So and then box number 2, we're going to add our vanishing point, and we're going to label that. So we have our horizon line and our vanishing point. So that's box 1, 2, and now we're going to make our 3 boxes. One is going to be on the horizon line, one is going to be above, and one is going to be below. And the thing that you need to remember is that when you're making your square, all of your sides must be parallel. Parallel to each other and parallel to the edges of your papers as well. They do not have to be exactly the same size. They have to be parallel. That's your stipulation. Okay, so there are my 3 boxes. Now I'm going to connect the corners to the vanishing point. If the line that connects the corner to the vanishing point goes through the box, then you do not have to connect it. So for example, this one, I won't connect it because it goes through the box before it gets to the vanishing point. And you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you're right on the corner and right on the vanishing point. So once I've done box number 1, then I need to finish that box. So right now it extends all the way into space, and I don't want that. So I need to cut it off so that it is a cube. So parallel to this line, I'm going to line up my ruler, and I'm going to slide it without wiggling it at all, keeping it perfectly straight. I'm going to make my line there, and where this line ends here is where the line is going to connect here. So parallel to this line, and where that line ends is that line. And then I can erase my orthogonal lines, the lines that go to the vanishing point. So I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Now this box, you see the front, the right side, and the bottom because it is above the horizon line. The middle box, you're only going to see the front and the side because it is right at your eye level. So you only see these 2 sides. So now I'm going to make parallel line. And then I can erase these 2 lines. I'm going to leave my horizon line. I'm just going to erase it inside my box. I'm going to leave my label there, though. Actually, I think I'll leave it in the middle of the box. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to connect all of the corners that do not go through the box to the vanishing point. And then I'm going to make my parallel lines. And where that line ends is where this line starts. And then I can erase the lines that go to the vanishing point. And so once you have these boxes drawn, you are going to shade them. You're going to let me know where your light source is. So you can draw a sun to show me where your light source is, and then you are going to shade in the boxes according to your light source. So if this is my light source, this is going to be the lightest value, this is going to be the darkest value, and this is going to be the middle value because it's getting a little reflected light from this box. This box is going to be lighter here and darker here because it's being blocked by this side. And this box, this is going to be my lightest surface because the sun is shining right on that surface. This is going to be my middle value, and this is going to be my darkest value. So you're going to go ahead and shade your boxes in accordingly.